Haters vex, can me bless, what's me no stress. Boy, me nah no man problem. Me them a pre, them a wanna be. Girl a fi a worry about me no worry about them. Say no way me up. Girl a fi sit down, can't stand me. And me money nah. No borrow goods, no depend me. I feel me life and me love it. You know see a be a pretty pan me. Haters can't stand.
Guys, what's up? Say hi. Hi. What's up, guys? What's up? Guys, me a laugh. Take your hand off of the wall. Yes, guys, as me say, guys, today kind of smallish vlogish, small vlogish, really vlogish. So, guys, I'm under the tree. Wait a minute. Today, I'm gonna something. I'm gonna lick my head. I'm gonna go buy something. My mother, but and them say, they come do. Where come do? Ear something cause challenges. I'm gonna buy back gel and do my ear. I always my ear because of some small challenge. I'm say, why not vlog it from center? So guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, comments. Come here, come share,
and subscribe.
Yeah. And like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on that.
Post notification bell.
Yes, guys, and copy the link. So, me, guys, so we're gonna see you when we reach other place. So, peace. Look here, I'm just coming from center to say the egg. Look on the egg, guys. Watch one part. Jesus. So guys, I just come back from center and I actually buy things them. Okay, so my things them so fast. So I'm gonna put in the kitchen right now. I'm gonna vlog when I go down the work about the chest. So remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on post notification bell. But don't do it right now. Kinda use Snapchat fit now look out here. I'm not ashamed, but you know, just I go. I'm just gonna show you the gel. I have everything. So you don't know. I'm turning the phone this way. Make it look like I'm not nothing. Period. Thank you guys. So we just shop, we'll get to your back. Just I'm gonna get the gel a little bit, so nothing you can, but we'll make it do so. We're so hungry. So guys, period poop, period. The man in the background, period poop, period. We dead with my lips. Oh, you do that now. Oh, you read the lips. How much? Period. Carry my lips from China. Okay. Period. Period poop, period. So anyways, guys, you know, say I eat this boo boo. So let's like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on the post notification bell so you can become notified. Nation drop on you, bang up here. And to them forget for the post notification shout out. To the post notification shout out goes to your girl Kaylee. Her channel pop up here. And link up here. Link will be down in the description. Also just run over. So if you want to get that post notification shout out, just be the first to comment. Yeah, see, let's go now. So let's get into the video. So remember one, I said I catch it up now. So let's go. not to because from here wash yesterday whenever I get to do nothing. It's hard for me.
If I ever made you angry, now just know that it get better every time. They say time is, she can't see her life without me, she's so blasted. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you're master. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. I wish that we could change places, don't want no new faces. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is, don't go build a life without me, cause you're master. And I don't wanna go unless you make me. Pretty face, pretty tender, but pretty taught me all the lessons. Pretty had me giving more than I was getting. So pretty don't come with something more than I get it. Shame to tell my friends how much I do for you, cause they know that you would never do the same for me. I wasn't looking for your secrets, they just came to me. And they contradicted everything you claim to be. I took you to the club and you hugged on somebody that I know. And I know the type of hugs, same shit I do to women when I know I used to fuck. And I know they were their nigga, but they never brought it up. I'm down these days, down to do better, cause you know I done enough. You should lay it down, talk about it when you up. But she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. I wish that we can change places, don't want no new faces. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is, don't go build a life without me, cause you're master. And I don't wanna go unless you make. If anyone has any objections, speak up now or forever hold your peace. I mean, God Almighty, don't be who take me. Better tell that nigga you mad, heard you been trying to tie it back. Girl, tell me you lied. Let me be that pussy one more time. Let me be that pussy one more time. I know that you feel honest. I know that you did not forget. So don't go to sleep. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. I wish that we can change places, don't want no new faces. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is, don't go build a life without me, cause you're master. And I don't wanna go unless you make me. Lately I've been gone, I'm feeling crazy. Off on the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do with them.
It's my unicorn phone. Guys, the edge is not gonna look up to date. Not gonna look up to date. Cause of the back gel.
Just can't understand the girl. Tell me, don't know why I'm waiting so much. I think of the things you do, yeah, before my boss. Show my love, yeah. Today we're good, tomorrow she disappears. Wonder why I'm still here. Feel like to give up sometimes. Your sexy body, I'm still a steer. When we link up, you say the right stuff. Feel like you have the right touch. Believe me, I have my heart, but we just aren't enough. Just tell me if it's a go work, baby. Tell me if it's a go work. Tell me if it's a go work.
Well guys, this is the end of the video. I'm showing a full preview. Well, the edges are kind of good and the edges are them off and off because I use back gel. But to tell the truth, it turned out nice too. The edges, yeah. Get your back. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the post notification bell. Go over TONIANN lyrics and leave a like, subscribe. Leave a like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the post notification bell. Thank you for watching. Peace. Remember to comment first so you can be notified. So you can be one of the post notification shout out in the next video. So bye. Then guys, tell me something about buzz right through.